All the toilets right here. Imagine that.
Going back to the boat and heading up to North Carolina. Yeah, I can't wait to sail for it.
No.
We are headed back to Key West. We were doing a road trip from Key West to California for 3 weeks with the kids, and we decided to take a family road trip. Now we're on our way back from there, headed back to Key West, where our boat is on the hard, and we are going to be fixing the bottom of the boat, including certain areas that Hurricane Ian damaged, and putting her back in the water and taking her to North Carolina. What do you think, Robert?
Yeah, awesome, man. I'm ready. Ready to be back on the water.
No.
I am all the way ready to get back on the water.
What do you think about that?
How you feel about going back to the boat and heading up to North Carolina? Yeah, I can't wait to sail for it.
No.
How do you feel about going back to the boat and heading up to North Carolina? Not bad.
Eight of these. Whoa. We have 8 of these. All right, guys. We have 8 of them. I thought I was doing so well. Ooh, you're bleeding. Ew. I just tasted metal in my mouth. 40-year-old boat. Right?
43 actually.
She doesn't need to know she's 43.
Kind of like you.
Nope. Sorry. I am 32.
I'm 4. Hey guys, we are preparing the bottom. While we're in North Carolina, we had coated the bottom with Petit Vivid, so we just did a rough sand. Here you can see Damien and Tristan and all the boys getting it lightly sanded and ready for another coat of Petit Vivid. Then we patched the hole. I made a friend in the boatyard that was a welder for the Army Corps of Engineers, so he told me I needed to cut out a certain size piece, and I did, and he ended up welding it in for me with his MIG welder, which came out really nice. He even hooked me up with some fairing compound that I wasn't familiar with, and we got it all welded in solid, faired it in, and then painted, and it's actually kind of probably the most solid piece of our hull now. As you can see here, I believe it came out nice. We even on the side here, you can see where we took a lot of scratching from the hurricane. I sanded that and used the fairing compound and Alex Seal primer on it to help protect the steel. And there it is. You see we've got the bottom painted and ready to go back in the water.
So we decided to take a little break from boat work and take the kids over to Fort Zachary State Park and enjoy ourselves.
Oh my gosh, imagine how scary this place would be at night since they'd actually lights.
Dude, this is crazy. This is what you would see out of.
There's a cannon out of there.
Yeah. I'm coming, buddy.
It sure had a cannon. This is where they keep their prisoners.
Whoa. I'm not going through there.
This is what I imagine a castle would look like.
I know, huh?
Hey, we can go over here. Look at the windows.
This is the bathroom. These are all the heads. Caden, you can't go to the bathroom there. Huh?
And then years and years and years of erosion.
You notice these
can you guys think way back to the past when this
Like there's a
happened?
cannon right there.
I can't wrap my mind around this, but think
Another
back to
cannon.
when the soldiers were here. To them, that is happening right now.
How big these cannons are.
Yeah. Okay, we gotta walk outside of here because, yeah, we're gonna walk this way, guys.
The helicopter?
No. They didn't have helicopters then. So cool. Hidden treasures.